Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the common game of our India is badminton. Badminton is the racket sports played using the rackets to hit the shuttlecock across the net. Although it may be played with the larger teams, but the common forms of the game is the singles and doubles. Badminton is often played as an outdoor activity in a yard or on a beach. In the previous class, we have learned about the techniques of the badminton. In this class, today we will learn the strategies of the badminton. These are in the form of singles, doubles and mixed doubles. Let's see in the details.
First strategy is singles. Since one person needs to cover the entire court, singles tactics are based on forcing the opponent to move as much as possible. This means that single strokes are normally directed to the corners of the court. Players exploit the length of court by combining lifts and clears with drop shots and net shots. Smashing tends to be less prominent in singles than in doubles because the smasher has no partner to follow up their efforts and is thus vulnerable to skillfully placed return. Second one is the doubles. Both the pairs will try to gain and maintain the attack, smashing downwards when the opportunity arises. Whenever possible, a pair will adopt an ideal attacking formation with one player hitting down from the rear court and their partner in the mid court intercepting all smash returns except the lift. If the rear court attacker plays a drop shot, their partner will move into the forecourt to threaten the net replay. If a pair cannot hit downwards, they will use flat strokes in an attempt to gain the attack. If a pair is forced to lift and clear the shuttlecock, then they must defend. They will adopt a side by side position in the rear midcourt to cover the full width of their court against the opponent's smashes. In doubles, players generally smash to the middle ground between two players in order to take advantage of confusion and clashes. At high levels of play, the backhand serves has become popular to the extent that forehand serves have become fairly rare at a high level of play. The straight low serve is used most frequently in an attempt to prevent the opponents gaining the attack immediately. Third one is a mixed doubles. In mixed doubles, both pairs typically try to maintain an attacking formation with the woman at the front of the man at the back. This is because the male players are usually substantially stronger and can therefore produce smashes that are more powerful. As a result, mixed doubles require greater tactical awareness and subtler positional play. Clever opponents will try to reverse the ideal position by forcing the woman towards the back or the man towards the front. In order to protect against the danger, mixed players must be careful and systematic in their shot selection. At high levels of play, the formation will generally be more flexible.
Today we have learned about the strategies in the form of single, double and mixed doubles of the badminton. Practice it at home